Objectives. At the end of the lesson, the student should be able to understand to the dimensioning in drafting, justify the different units of measurement, follow the different placement of dimension. Basic dimensioning. To determine of a size spacing, kumbaga mga figures. For example, we have two types of dimensioning. The first one is the size dimensioning, the measure of the size or distance of an object. Second one is location dimensioning, the specific position where dimensions such as location of a hole with respect to the edge of the rectangle. Dimensions are given on drawings by extensions, lines, dimension lines, leader, arrowhead, figures, notes, and symbols. We have the length, diameter, angle, location not duplicated. Dimension lines are used to determine the extent and direction of dimension, terminated by uniform arrow. Arrows 3:1 length width recommended. Center lines never used for dimension lines. Avoid dimensioning to hidden lines. Avoid crossing dimension lines. Place dimension lines outside extension lines when space is tight. Overview. Dimensions and notes define the size, finish, and other requirements to fully define what you want manufacture. The first bullet is drawings for product must be dimensioned that production personnel all over the world can make mating parts that will fit properly when assembled or when used to replace parts. Good dimensioning. We have three aspects of good dimensioning. The first one is technique. Good appearance of lines, spacing, and arrows to allow others to read the drawing. The example of technique is kung gagawa ang dimension tapos ito po ay nababasa. And for example, I have a white paper and nakalagay ay color yellow. So, para siyang medyo masakit sa mata. And the second one is placement. Logical placement according to standard practices, so they are legible and easy to find. So logical po dapat ay pagilagay ng dimensions. So later if you have a drawing tapos nasa ilalim, baka hindi ito mabasa. And the third one is choice. Dimension for function and best manufacturing practices. So physically sumasama dun kung saan ba gagamitin ang product. For example, a floor plan more lively, siya po ay naka-formal settings while yung ibang product naman is nabibenta sa Shopee. Pero pwede siyang maging informal. The last one is tolerance. The total amount of that the picture of the actual part can vary from the drawing or model. So yung mga pills dati meron silang sinasabi na every measurement is 1 atom or less. So basically walang accurate na measurement. Dimension and extension line. As you can see, dapat po yung 5.9 dapat ay nasa top of 2 arrowhead na nauna. So basically the label of them, the too bigger to break down ng kanya. Dapat po yung 5.99 ay higher than 1.79 and 2.35. And another example of incorrect. This is the example of dimension in inches. This is the example of placement of dimension incorrect. As you can see, dapat po yung 5.9 ay nasa top of 2 arrowhead na nauna. So basically the label of them, too bigger to break down. Dapat po yung 5.99 ay higher than 1.79 and 2.35. This is the example of correct placement of dimension. As you can see, yung 5.89 ay nasa top. Units of measurement. In basic decimal increments, preferably 0.2 in, and then end expressed with a minimum of two figures to the right of the decimal point. Full dimension 24.20, not 24. Decimal dimension 0.44, not 0.44. And the fractional inch is not ANSI recommended, 1 over 64 inch, not used. Foot and inch. All dimension 12 inches and greater are specified in 12 in feet and inches. 24 inches, 27 inches. So basically, we have to put a mark na kuwet sa taas to determine kung alin ba yung inch doon and foot. The second bullet is symmetric units, mm or m micrometer. Whole number 2, not 02 or 2.0. Numbers 1 over 9 shown without 0 to left of decimal. Decimal 0.2, not 0.2 or not or 20 numbers shown with a 0. Large number 3 to 545 to separate digits. No comma or spaces. General note like unless otherwise specified dimension are in millimeters. Most common siya in micrometer. Kapag kumuha ka ng meter, we have 2 inch and also millimeter. This is the example of dimensioning units. As you can see, the 5.89 is the arrowhead and the center is 2.35. This is the example of feet in inches. As you can see, 23 over 7, 1 over 8 is the arrowhead and the center is 9 minus 5, 1 over 8. Worth mentioning, dual dimensioning is specifiable English over SI units but not generally used anymore. Angular units, decimal degrees preferred over degrees, minutes, and seconds. The example of this is 60.5 degrees instead of 60 degrees 30. Dual dimensioning and combination units. Dual dimensioning is used to show metric and decimal inch dimensions on the same drawing. Two methods of displaying the dual dimensions are: the first one is position method, the second one is bracket method. As you can see of the slides, this is the example of dimension in our millimeters. Directional dimensioning. Rules for basic dimensioning: symmetrical outlines, reference dimension, and parentheses. Not to scale, underline with a straight, thin line. Dimension symbols. Dimension symbols are used to replace the traditional terms of abbreviation. So basically, ito yung ginagamit para maituro kung nasan ba yung dimension na yon. We have counterbore and etc. So if you see, we have a view. This is how the views. We have three standard views. The first one is top, the second is front, and the third is right side. This helps to understand its shape and size. Basic rules for dimensioning. This is the example of undirectional used on engineering drawing. Basic rules for dimensioning. This is the example of align use or on architectural and structural drawings. Basic rules for dimensioning. This is the example of place dimension between views. This is the example of place smallest dimension nearest the view being dimension. As you can see, the 75 is the arrowhead and the center is 38 and the other of the side is 63 and 38 and 19. Dimensioning circular pictures. R precedes the numerical value crossed at center of radius. Simple pilots and rounds. Dimension with a general note. Cylindrical holes. Leader usually used. Multiple holes. Example is 4 times 8.4. Dimensioning circular pictures. The diameter one view drawing long with longitudinal view, and view drawing, where a circular arc passes through radius center and terminates with arrow touching arc. Countersink is an angular sided recess that accommodates the head of flathead screw, rivets, and similar items. The counterbore is a flat-bottom cylindrical recess that permits the heads of fastening device such as bolts to lie resist into the spot space is an area in which the surface is machined just enough to provide smooth level seating for a bolt head nut or washer. Dimensioning common features. Repetitive features and dimension use an X in conjunction with the numeral 2 indicate the number of items. Chamfering is the process of cutting away the inside or outside piece. Dimension normally by their angle and linear length. Example is 45 degrees times 0.10. Sectioning. A section drawing is one that shows a vertical cut transecting typically along a primary axis an object or building. For example is a floor plan. We have a length and width and then to determine the size and shape. Section views is a very important aspect of design and documentation. It is used to improve the visualization and clarity of new design, clarify multi-view drawing, reveals interior pictures of parts, and also facilitate the dimensioning of drawing. Scaling is a fixed ratio that every distance on the plan bear with corresponding distance on the ground. Scale is represented by the following method. 1 cm is equal to 1 cm on the map represent some whole numbers of meters on the ground, such as for example 1 cm is equal to 10 meters. Representative fraction is a ratio of map distance to the corresponding ground distance informing representative factors both numerator and denominator must reduce to the same denomination. For example, 1 cm is equal to 50 meters. Representative factors RF is equal to 1 over 50 times 100 is equal to 1 over 5,000. Tama ba? Dutong. It shows 1 cm on the map is equal to 5,000 mm is equal to 5 meters on the ground. We have the four types of various types of scale. The first one is plane scale. A basic scale is without alteration used for building codes. The second one is diagonal scale. A scale showing chord tones diagonally across a keyboard or staff. The third one is Vernier scale and the fourth is scale of chords. A scale is one of on which it's possible to measure two deep dimensions only such as units and lengths, meters and decimeters, miles and furlongs, etc. This is the example of plane scale. Diagonal scale. On a diagonal scale, it is possible to measure three dimensions such as meters, decimeters, and centimeters, and yard, feet, and inches. This is the example of diagonal scale. Vernier scale is a device of measuring the fractional part of one of the smallest division of graduated scale. It usually consists of a small auxiliary scale which slides alongside the main scale. It was invented by Pierre Bernier in the year 1631. This is the example of Bernier scale. So thank you very much for your cooperation. I hope you understand my topic and God bless you.